Hello everyone, we'll be taking a pant and fold it like this from the downside, roll it and fold it from the other side, fix it into each other and it's done. Next, moving on to jeans, fold it like this. Now roll it from the top and down, fold it like this and fix it inside each other and it's ready. Next, take a jeans and then fold it from the side. Now fold it from the between and roll it from the sides and put them under each other and it's ready. Next, take a jeans, put them over each other like this. Now fold it from the downside one by one and put it like this inside the top part. Now fold it from the between and it's done. Next, take a pant and then fold it like this from the down and the top. Roll it like this and fix them like this inside each other and fold it from the between. Now take a wardrobe set and put the t-shirts like this by folding it. Fold it together for the between. Now fold it from the downside and the top. Now put them under each other and then you can arrange them in a line. Now take a red color t-shirt, fold it from the sides like this, roll it from the top and fix them into each other. And it's ready. Next, we'll be taking the pant or the t-shirt like this and fold it like this from the hands and then fold it like this from the top. Fix them into each other and it's ready. Next, take the t-shirt or the jacket and then we'll fold it like this from the side, so it's a hoodie, and then after folding it, fold its cap. Now turn it from the downside and fix them under each other like this and it's ready. Next, we'll be taking a t-shirt or a hoodie and then fix it like this, so it's a shirt, and then fold it from the hands. Now fold it from the downside and roll it upward. Now make a space on the downside and fix it inside the each other and press it and it's ready. Next, take a t-shirt, roll it from the downside and from the other side from the hands. Now roll it from the sides. Now fold it from the top like this. Roll it and fix them into each other and it's ready. Now we'll be taking a pair of socks and then put them over each other. Now fold it like this. Fix it by folding it and put it inside each other like this and it's ready.